So what is FigJam? It is a collaborative digital whiteboard. As you can see, I've started a FigJam file here where I've added a sticky note. I can write on it. And the best part is that FigJam is collaborative, so you can see that others are in the same document with me. FigJam is free for teachers. If you're an educator, you're going to want to go to figma.com/education to verify that you're an educator so you can unlock all the features for free. FigJam is a subset of Figma. So you'll also find all of your FigJams at figma.com. So let me help you get started with making a FigJam. The first thing I'm going to do is start a new tab, and I'm going to do figjam.new. You can, of course, just go to figma.com and create a new FigJam from Figma, but this is definitely the fastest way. And once I log in, you're going to see that I have this whiteboard, and I am going to click up here where it says Untitled so that I can name it. And then I would recommend that you want to move it from drafts either now or at some point so you can move it to a project. That's like saving it into a folder. So now that you have your file started, you can go ahead and add elements like sticky notes or use the marker. But my favorite part is creating a section. So you see I have a section down here, and I'm going to create sections which are like pages. So in here, I've got the one section. Now you can select the section. Now notice that when I click on the section, the little rectangles show up in the corner so that I know the section is selected. When I move the section, everything in it is automatically grouped and moves around with it, which I love. And you can also Control-C, Control-V, you can copy paste those sections. You'll notice it duplicates everything in the section. I'm going to go ahead and draw a brand new section. And what you're going to notice is that it named it Section 3. So it's setting up pages here in your FigJam so that you can easily move through the different elements of your collaborative whiteboard. Now, FigJams are designed to be collaborative. So make sure you come up and click on the share icon so that you can share it with your students or whoever you're working with. So in here, I've got the one section. So you can see up here where I have my different collaborators. Now for this video, I'm just collaborating with myself. So when I click on the share icon, you can see there's two of me in here, but it's really easy to share a FigJam. You can just copy the link, share the link, and you can choose that it was anyone can view or anyone can edit. If you use Google Docs, this is going to feel really familiar where you click the share button and either invite directly by typing in their email or pasting your students' emails or choosing anyone with the link where you can just copy the link and share it to them however you share. FigJam is a really powerful collaboration tool, and it has a lot of really cool features, but this is really the basics of it. I just do figjam.new, and I'm going to go where it says Untitled. I'm going to click on Titled, and I'm going to title it what I'm going to use for my lesson. So maybe I'm doing quadratics, grade 9. And then I usually come down here and I start creating sections. And in the section, I'm going to design whatever interactive elements that I want. I'm going to come up to the share button and either grab the link to copy link, or I'm going to switch it to anyone with the link can edit and be able to share that link by copying the link with my students. And I do want to move this file, move it to a project, and it puts it into a folder. So one last thing you should know is there is a version history, and you'll see that this does say show version history. So as you're collaborating with your students, that's going to make it easy for you to jump back to a previous version before you collaborated or to see who edited what when. I hope you're ready to start using FigJam. Now remember, FigJam is a subset of Figma. So if you go to figma.com/education, you're going to find an account that has all of these great pre-made templates to help you get started as an educator. And remember, FigJam is free for educators. So just go to figma.com/education to verify that you're an educator so you can have multiple FigJams and full access to the FigJam account for free. So again, figma.com/@education gets you a lot of great templates. and I hope that you're ready to get started with FigJam.